Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money here in Coinmarketcap. So first, what you want to do is of course go to coinmarketcap.com so that you can access this website and you want to log in. It is really simple. You just have to connect your wallet to your account and then you will be logged in. And after that, you want to go to your portfolio and then let's say you bought DNB, then you will have an option there to withdraw. There's a withdrawal button right there that you can withdraw. But as you can see, I'm not logged into my account because signing up for an account requires me a balance in my wallet here in MetaMask, but I currently don't have that. But all you need to do is simply go to your avatar right here. You just need to click it and then go to portfolio and you will have the list of cryptocurrencies that is available in your account that you have bought or received. And from there, you could just transfer it to any cryptocurrency or you could directly withdraw it from there. That process is quick and simple. And from that, what you want to do is now we have diamonds here in Coinmarketcap that you can also withdraw, and you can do the rewards here, and we can do the task here to get more diamonds here during an airdrop, name your price, get any predictions right, and then you would earn diamonds. And here in the diamond rewards are the rewards that you can get with the diamonds that you have accumulated, and you can reserve it by using your wallet that you use to log in here in your account. So let's say here in MetaMask, then you will have assets right here that you can receive like BTC and BNB. So if you don't see the desired cryptocurrency that you want to be here because that is what you want to receive from Coinmarketcap.com, then you can just click here, search. The example, I want to receive BTC, a Bitcoin here. Then all you want to do after you've chosen your desired cryptocurrency, you just have to click here on more and then click here. And then it will redirect you to this page and you have this contract. You just need to copy this and copy it, then go to your MetaMask here and then import tokens, and you just need to as you can see, it says token has already been added because I already had BTC, but you just need to paste this contract code here and you will be able to add any assets, cryptocurrency, any kinds of cryptocurrency that you would like. And that's about it for this video, guys. And
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.